you the 2021 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, privacy glass, FWD, 4-wheel disc brakes, tires, front all season, LED headlights, tires, rear all season. Come see the car for yourself.